So, hey my friends and my seniors guys, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So in this video, I'm gonna share you a very useful and very important thing for you all, or as I also know, guys, because when I just feel this thing that I also just hear and I also share my thought and what I feel. As you also can see in the thumbnail, what is the today's topic? Today's topic is most attractive and most beneficial topic for you all, or as I take the guarantee. Because guys, we all are people wanted to learn the English language, and we all are people wanted to speak the English language. But there are some reasons we cannot available to speak the English language. But don't worry guys, I am here. Your brother is always for you. And guys, in this video I'm gonna share you a very important thing for to develop your English speaking and for to speak the English language. In this video is gonna be very useful and very creative video. Guys, please guys, you have to guys subscribe my channel, because if you subscribe my channel, so my first video notification will come in you and you guys watch my video easily. So guys, as you can see in that, this is the red color subscribe button. Please guys press the bell button and also hit the bell icon button, because if you hit the bell icon button, so my first video notification will come in you and you guys watch my video easily. So I don't waste time this extra thing. Now guys, I will go to the topic. So guys, as you also can see in the thumbnail, what is the Jewish topic? So guys, if you just watch this video till end, so you will learn a lot of beneficial things from this video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna share you a easiest formula, like a simple formula can use to make your English speaking better. Just guys, a easiest formula like this. We all are people thinking that story is a very big story. It is not possible to explain a story in English language in other mother tongue. So guys, as I say, because everything is possible. Everything is possible. Just guys, if you just do the hard work, everything is possible. So guys, now I will share to you a very important thing. Guys, I also completed my one books in a 5 day. So is that possible? People also say that how it is possible to complete a book in a 5 day. Because guys, everything is possible just if you just guys improve your English speaking, if you just improve your English language. So guys, you have to just do this thing at your home. So guys, why I say many people also watch this video and they also say that without the question and answer how you complete a book, without the question and answer how you complete a story, guys. So I want to say to you, if you just read a story and if you know a meaning of the story, so any of the question in related in this story you can easily answer. Because reading books is a very important thing, as I also feel. So when I just start to do this thing in the first time, so when I just read a story, so in the time I just thinking that I also read the story, and I just say I just go to the I just read all of the question, and then I just know in that time I don't know that I also know all of the answer, because I also read this all of the answer in the story. So in that happen, it is very easy for me to answer any question related of this story. So guys, you also can do this thing at your home, because in that time also English speaking is very important. Every time, every word English is surrounding us like a wind. Like as you also can see, the heavy wind are surrounding us, surrounding me. So now I want to say to you that a very easiest way to complete your books is that, like, try to understand your story's meaning. Yes guys, to understand a story's meaning, it is a very important thing for to understand, for to go answer your question and answer. Yes guys, for to answer your question and answer, to understand to explain a story is very important. So why I say, because if you did not understand a story, the meaning of the story, so how you can understand the question and answer? Because question and answer is very difficult, as I also said, many people say it. So guys, whenever you know the meaning of the story, whenever you know the meaning of all of the things, so you can easily answer all of the question, you can easily answer all of the things. So now I will give you an example. I think when you go to the exam hall, in that time your question paper also you have the question paper in your hand, and then you just saw the passage in the front page. You just saw a passage. In this passage is written by in English language. So if you just did not know, if you just did not understand the meaning of the passage, so how you can answer the question? It's impossible. So this is also same. If you just did not know the meaning of the story, so you did not answer the question, because story is a very important thing for to answer a question. Yes, yes. For to answer a question, story is very important. So what we our teacher, what they say and what they give us, they just give us lots of notes, lots of question answer, and they just say to you that go to your home and you just complete all of the question answer. And in the time you, whenever you just sit to the read and sit to study, in the time you just study and your mind was puzzled, your mind was just you have the headache in your brain, your mind was puzzled. So guys, if you just guys can relax your brain, so your brain also easily started to working. And how you can relax your brain? By a simple thing, to read a story. Just you don't have to read question answer, you just read the story, because story is very important. So now I will say to you that when I just read the story, so it was very easy for me to answer all of the question. And I feel, now I also feel. So guys, it is a very important thing for to answer a question. So our teacher, our school teacher also said, give you the notes, just give you all of the things, just completed your homework, completed your all the thing. But they did not say to you that go to your house and then you read the story, and then I will just you can easily answer the question. They don't say it, because they, so guys, as you also can, as you also, I hope you all understood, because a story is a very big story, we are all thinking, but it is not, guys. So just first of all, if you want to complete your story, if you want to complete your book set, so you just have to what. So guys, as you also can know, as I also said to you, that to understand, to answer you all of the question, so you have to read the books. Because if you just read the books, if you just read the story, so it is very essential for you all to answer all of the question. So now I will tell you how you can just read all of the story and how you can understand all of the meaning of the story. So like thing, you just take a particular one page for all of the story. Just you have a five story in your books, you just take a one page part of the story. Then you just try to understand the meaning of the story. And then you can easily understand a whole meaning of the story if you just read properly one page in a story. So I hope you all understood. Because for to explain a story, we have to know the basic tips of the story. So I hope you all understood that if you just guys like this video and if you just learned something from this video, so guys, you also have to subscribe my channel, and if you just subscribe my channel, so my first videos notification will come in you, and you guys watch my video easily. So bye bye, see you in the next more important video.